The lightweight design, stable and high-quality power output, and other characteristics of diesel generator sets have always been praised by people. However, even the best products will emit noise. Therefore, users have to face the problem of eliminating the noise of generators. His 30 kilowatt mobile trailer type mute box diesel generator set of Dingbo power in the video can meet the needs of people to use generators in places with strict noise requirements. The generator adopts vibration isolation, noise reduction, sound insulation, sound absorption, and other noise reduction technologies. The box is equipped with multi-layer barrier impedance mismatch noise elimination structure, and built-in large impedance muffler, which has remarkable low noise performance. The noise level of the unit is less than 7 to 5 decibel 1 meter away from the unit. Dingbo, a diesel generator set, is installed on the chassis of the car, with low gravity center, safe braking, unique design, strong mobility and adaptability, and is commonly used for emergency power supply, or power supply in different places with strict requirements for noise. With high-quality diesel generator set, we can reach Dingbo power.